Welcome to Powerviz. Let's explore top 5 features of the Powerviz Sunburst Chart, a dynamic, part-to-whole visual built for hierarchical data. Using concentric arcs, it helps you explore each level of your data in a clean and engaging format. Whether you're analyzing breakdowns or drilling into segments, Sunburst brings clarity and style. Here are its top 5 standout features. Easily adjust the layout, rotation angle, and chart style to match your reporting needs. Whether you want a radial overview or a focused sector, design it your way. Apply a consistent top-end ranking across all levels of the hierarchy. No coding needed. This unique method helps keep your visuals sharp, focused, and easy to interpret. Choose from 30+ color palettes, including accessibility-safe options, and enhance segments with unique fill patterns for added depth and clarity. Personalize the center of the chart with text, measures, icons, or images, and display custom visuals on the outer ring to make category recognition easier and more intuitive. Instantly highlight outliers or key values using simple, rule-based formatting. Apply logic to text or values to make insights pop. With the Powerviz Sunburst Chart, you're not just visualizing hierarchy, you're creating a visual story that's dynamic, insightful, and beautifully designed. Try it now and bring your category breakdowns to life in Power BI. Download from Microsoft AppSource or our website powerviz.ai today.